Hello and welcome to this Catia V5 tutorial. Today we are going to sketch a centered parallelogram. First click on the start, part design. Sorry, it's taking my computer for a while. And then centered parallelogram. And make sure that these boxes are unticked for the moment. Press OK. Now for this tutorial I will use XY plane to sketch, and then click onto this little arrow over here and click position sketch. At the moment my vertical and my horizontal axis are not in the right direction, so what I will do is I'll just click swap, and I would like my vertical axis to be on that way instead of that way, so I'll just do reverse V and press OK. So when I'm doing my sketch, my horizontal and my vertical axis are aligned in the appropriate directions. Now click this little arrow over here, and then you will find the centered parallelogram. So for a centered parallelogram we need two lines, so let us create two lines first. Let's say over here and over here. For our sketch we need to make sure that we don't have any open elements. You will see why later on the padding up tutorials video. So we want our sketch to be a closed sketch. So let's click onto this little arrow over here and then click this which says centered parallelogram. Says if you look at the, it says select the first line, this one, and then select another line, and then you can move your mouse anywhere along. So yeah, I'll click it over here. Now I need to constrain my sketches. Let's say this one, and then let this center point, no, sorry, just click this element and this axis, and now our sketch is fully constrained. But if we go to tools, and then there's a button called sketch analysis, so we have two isolated line 1 and line 2 curves. This is not good for our sketch, because when we are making our solid elements we will get an error message saying that your sketch is open, or your sketch has open elements. So we need to make sure that error doesn't come up when we want to extrude this sketching element. So what I'll do is I'll select this line, I will and click this axis button, and now Catia is asking me, do you want to turn this line into an axis, and I will say yes. And the same thing with this one, and click axis, yes. Now we have these lines now act as construction lines instead of the actual sketching elements. Now we click onto exit workbench, and we are done. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.